In the second part, we describe some new features for trends and working with databases. We create some history database for creating dynagraph. It used in oil and pump industry. And we create load and position text and text for clear DB. We describe it later. And create trend X, Y graphic and axis X position, and we add possibility to sort by time and to sort by the X value. We choose time for the dynagraph and let's check how it works. We changes position, load, and choose time for display our dynagraph. It's forward and let's back of the pump. Simulate. How it looks. It's not very beautiful, I think, but it works. And we create new script function that clear DB table. In our case, we clear history DB, database XY, and table history 0. Let's choose how it works. And let's check also. We can check how it works if we choose sort by X value position. That's clear. Yes, it's cleared. Also, in duration, we have possibility to choose new types of trends. It's not only for XY trends, it's also for trends DB, trend, and other trends. You can choose curve type 5 and curve type 6. Type 5 you've seen. It's let you create smoothing values, smoothing trends, curves. You can see it's not recommended to use this type for big amount of data because it can take too much time to draw this curve. Also, curve type 6, it fills the curve parameters like type 2. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask in email or in our forum. In part 2, we describe new features in our cloud solution.